Okay, I got her. Now, here, I wanted to finish up with a few different things. Now, if you had your gardener do that for you, don't you think he's going to charge you for that? I mean, he's going to have at least an hour of his time involved. He might want to charge you $35. But if he says, oh yeah, I'll fix it for nothing, great, ask him. Doesn't hurt to ask him, right? And it's still low, but the grass is going to have to grow in. I don't want to build this dirt up too high. Now, if you've got little bits of grass somewhere, you could transplant some grass bits if you dig it out of your main grass, let's say. Nah, I was going to do a little plug for you. Okay. You could take a plug of grass and you could put it in there, you know, like that. See? And you know, I think I might end up doing that because it might be better. See, we had a couple spots in the front yard that was low, and the gardener he had some top fill, and then he threw some seeds out, and now it's growing up, and it looks like it's going to be okay, but the seeds are not the exact same type of grass that this is, you know. So ultimately, always that little bit of grass is always going to look different. Now, sometimes you can see little bits of grass like that around, like it might look like a weed to you on the outside where your landscaped area is, and you can pull out a couple pieces here and there. But see, I'm just gonna plug it. That's called a plug. See, and over a little bit of time. See, I'll have to do it. I'll show you when I'm done. How about that? Okay, I'm gonna spend a few minutes and do that around there. And it won't take long for this grass to catch on and to grow and to fill this area up. That's what I would do. It doesn't take but a few minutes. You saw it didn't take very long, right? Don't take the plugs out all in the same area, obviously. I'm just using my weed puller to take a plug out. Okay, like that. See? There you go. There. All right, so I'll just continue on down, and then I'm gonna go in for breakfast before I fix the other sprinkler. I've got another one like that, and here's my goodie for that. This and my little extension. You've got to look for these at the store. I looked and looked and looked, and I thought, hey, I haven't needed one of these for years, and I couldn't find it. I had to look around in certain boxes at the store for about 10 minutes until I finally found it. And then usually this coupling is not going to be close to the sprinkler area. It might be next to your plumbing area where you've got all your white fittings, your elbows, your couplings, your plugs, your things, your T's and stuff like that. And that's where I found this, in a different area where I found these at the store. Now see this thing here? I can't use it anymore. This is just a throwaway piece now. Okay. All right. Okay. Stick around. I'll show you what this looks like in a minute. Okay, there you go. You see there? I just took some plugs of grass and put in there. I'm not concerned. I got it everywhere. That's going to grow in nicely. And you can just take that. You can just take that in your grass wherever. Take a little plug. Use your little your little weed puller, okay? Take your plug out, just like I showed you. Yeah, just like I showed you, okay? Well, that ends this video. I hope you learned something on here, and save yourself some money and start doing some things yourself around the house. Oh, man. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. And yes, next time after breakfast, I'm gonna come back here because it's nice and shady over here. The sun is not over here, and I've got to fix this, and I've got to install a bubbler. We've got a pipe here going to no man's land, and it's been attached like that for years. This thing was leaking, and I cut that out the other day. If you didn't watch that video, maybe you'll learn something on that. It's under landscaping or landscaping issues, drip irrigation, something like that on my YouTube channel. Go to my main YouTube channel page, click on playlists, and scroll down to landscape issues or drip irrigation. You'll find the stuff that I did before. You'll also find what I just did. And whenever I do an irrigation video and I got my camera around, I whip it out so that you can save more money around the house.